Hi, we're going to look at some modules in this video that are going to help you be better prepared for business calculus. I recently added them to your course shell. So let me share this. You can see your course shell here. If you go down to this tab that says modules, or over here in the margin and go to modules, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see these new modules. They're at the very bottom. And I would suggest you look through them. If you forget how to work with fractions, we're going to require that you know that in order to be successful in business calculus. And if we have to spend a lot of time reteaching you things that you've already learned, then it'll be less time that we can spend on the new material that you're supposed to learn for this class. So if you've forgotten anything about fractions, you might want to take some time to look at these modules. So let's, for example, look at adding and subtracting fractions. First, there's a little bit of background, and then you'll find some videos. Most of the videos you can see are quite short. And then if you go to the next screen, there will be multiplying fractions. Well, if we go back to this module, there's also practice problems that you can do. Now, these will not be sent to my computer as grades. It's just for your practice so that you can be successful in the content that we're doing in business calculus. So as you can see, there's a module on fractions, factoring. This one's very important. Exponents and radicals, and quadratic equations. A lot of the times we'll be solving quadratic equations, so we have to know how to do that. Now there's solving quadratic equations by factoring, using the square root property, or the quadratic formula, or even graphing. And we will be using all of those techniques. So it's important that if you haven't remembered really how to do this stuff, that you take the time, on a Friday or Saturday night when you're home alone going, what shall I do tonight? This would be a nice way to fill that time, or some other time when you have a little bit of time. Please look back at this. It's important for you to be successful in the course. Thanks for your time, and I hope you find them useful.